Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. This week, your assignments, like always, will be in Schoology, found under week 14. We begin our new unit on graphing. You do have Khan Academy assignments, so if you did not sign up last time, then you're gonna have to sign up by following the link. Remember that the class will not be available right away if it's your first time signing up. You have to wait until I approve you. So you can always send me a message and let me know, like, Miss, I just signed up. Can you please approve me? And I'll be sure to do so. And then there is a survey that I want you guys to take. It's completely optional. So it's just to let me know how things are going. Hope everything's well. Remember that our Zooms are still Wednesday, 1 o'clock for block 1, 2 o'clock for block 6, 3 o'clock for block 3. Enjoy your week.